So the next part is we have configured our pools, so we can now start allocating resources from those pools. I want to come back a minute and talk about the vNIC templates. Like I said, we have a service profile template, which is a kind of a dynamic template that can change. We have a lot of policies, like the BIOS policy that we talked about, but this is a very static configuration. The BIOS policy is just a set of settings that never changes, or it can change, but not a lot. So I can have multiple templates. So the other two types of templates that I have are my vNIC templates and my VHBA templates. So the vNIC and the VHBA templates. These can be, so this is an initial template or an updating template, but these can be initial and updating as well. So both initial and updating templates here. I can mix and match this. What that means is that if I have a service profile template, like we just drew, we have all kinds of settings. I say this service profile template is kind of fixed, so I will not change the boot policy a lot, I will not change the BIOS policy a lot. So let this be an initial template because I'm never going to change it. Then inside that service profile template, I configured to configure 3 vNICs. Or 2 vNICs and a VHBA. I said to this vNIC, you will be using template A. This guy is also using template A. This guy is using VHBA template B. So I said create 2 NICs and a VHBA and use template A for those 2 vNICs and use for VHBA, use template B. These vNICs are actually in all cases, they are updating. Why are they updating? Because I constantly add VLANs to a vNIC. I always will have a new VLAN in my network, and every time I have that VLAN, I need to manually add it to the vNIC template. So my service profile template is initial, but the vNIC template is an updating template. So in that vNIC template, I said this is going to be Fabric A, and it's going to use MAC pool A, and it's going to use VLAN 1, 2, and 3. Same here, VLAN 1, 2, and 3. Now when I change vNIC template A and I add VLAN 4, this will automatically go back to my initial service profile and be updated. So if I now start generating a service profile from this setting, the service profile template is initial, but all the vNICs that I created in this service profile will be connected to the updating template A. So every time I add a VLAN 4 to the template, also the service profile will get that change being processed to it. So be very careful when doing this. If you're creating an initial service profile template, still make sure what kind of template on vNIC basis do I need to create, for example. So I can mix and match templates. These are the 3 types of templates that I have: service profiles, vNICs, and VHBAs.